Senate Bill 458 passed 28 to 22 Wednesday in a preliminary vote on the Senate floor. Supporters said it made a relatively simple change, while opponents said the effects could be broader than expected. SB 458, sponsored by Republican Senator Carl Glimm of Kyla, would define a person's sex throughout Montana law as being based on their reproductive system, male or female. Glimm said the bill was about creating a definition for sex separate from gender, and he pointed to a court decision that blocked a law the legislature passed last session that would have prevented transgender people from changing the sex on their birth certificate without a court order showing they had undergone surgical transition.
We can have policy discussions about where we want to use these terms later, but we need to define what those terms mean, because right now we're getting into lawsuits because these terms get conflated and we don't have clear definitions.
Opponents said the bill's definitions were too simplistic to account for all people, and they questioned the fiscal impact, saying it could lead to litigation and potential financial consequences from the federal government for going against their policy on discrimination based on sex.
On a bill of this size and of this importance, to what degree is it responsible for our body to sign off on that bill that may or may not create substantial future costs to our general fund?
The Senate added an amendment Wednesday that seeks to address concerns about how the bill would affect intersex people, but opponents questioned if that was enough. The bill will now have to pass a final vote in the Senate before moving over to the House. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.